What we have here is our Beyond Core White Take-Home Teeth Whitening Kit. It comes in orange as well as mint flavors. This is designed to be used 30 minutes per day for up to 14 days for someone who has not whitened their teeth before. You'll see visibly greater results in about 5 days. The advantage you have with the Core White is that it comes either with EVA tray material, or you also have these preformed trays you can use as well. The Core White can be used both as a standalone teeth whitening for take-home. It can also be used in conjunction with our in-office teeth whitening. So there's 2 different ways you can use this. You have 6 syringes with our kit, 2.2 milliliter. You have the carrying case that comes with the tray material. And you also have refill kits that are 4 syringes each. This is our Beyond Osmo Whitening Pen. It comes in a twin pack, as well as included with our 5-patient Osmo Whitening Kit in office. This has enough gel for a 30-day supply. To apply, you basically just take the top off. You click the pen for 20 to 25 times the first time, and that will bring the gel to the applicator tip. This is great for maintenance, specifically after an in-office teeth whitening. Sometimes you'll have a dental office that might not usually offer teeth whitening, but they want to make sure they have that available to offer to their patients. So in situations such as that, where you don't want to make a serious investment into teeth whitening in the office, we have the Gemini. The Gemini is a take-home teeth whitening that also uses a whitening accelerator. We have, as you can see here, our light, a battery that hooks up with the light, and then we also have the tray that comes with the kit. You'll see we also have 5 syringes of 6% hydrogen peroxide. So with the Gemini, it's a very convenient unit to use. With the Gemini, you can whiten your teeth while you're watching TV, for example, or if you're in some other activities. We also have the spare tray as well as gel. So if you have more than one member of the family, for example, that might want to whiten their teeth, this is how they can use it. The LED light unit will last for many hours, so it's geared more towards the family than just one individual. Is our Pearl White Whitening Toothpaste. All 3 formulas for Pearl White Whitening Toothpaste will contain whitening particles that will burst as you brush your teeth, and what that will do is to help activate the whitening effect that will focus onto the surface stains in your enamel. We have our advanced formula here. This is our sensitivity formula, which contains potassium nitrate as well as sodium fluoride. This is very good for people with sensitivity issues. And then we have our green tea formula. The green tea formula contains green tea extracts that are a natural antibacterial inhibitor. So our Pearl White toothpaste has regular size as well as travel size, and they're made for daily maintenance of teeth whitening once you finish with the procedure at the office.